No word of a lie, this is the best moist chocolate cake recipe. This cake made with moist and rich chocolate cake filled with sweet chocolate ganache and frosted with chocolate ganache. Welcome to Sweets and Treats channel, my name is Annie and let's get started. For chocolate sponge cake we need eggs, sugar, all-purpose flour, cocoa powder. I recommend to use alkalized cocoa powder for more intense chocolate flavor, milk, vegetable oil, hot boiled water, baking powder and baking soda. Eggs and milk must be room temperature. In mixing bowl, combine eggs and sugar, whisk it until light and fluffy. Add milk and oil, mix it well. In spare bowl, sift flour, cocoa powder, baking powder and baking soda. Mix it well. Put dry ingredients into the bowl with eggs mixture and combine everything together. Pour hot, just boiled water and mix it again. Pour the batter into prepared lined pan. I'm using baking ring lined with aluminium foil. Bake it in preheated oven to 170 degrees until toothpick comes out clean, about 40 to 60 minutes. Let the cake cool completely in the baking ring, then take it out, cover with clear wrap and refrigerate it for minimum 5 hours, better overnight for the best texture. Let's make chocolate ganache. For that we need dark chocolate, heavy cream and coffee extract or instant coffee. You can't taste the coffee, it simply enhances the chocolate flavor. Heat the heavy cream in a saucepan until it comes to a simmer. Pour the cream into the bowl with the chocolate. Add coffee extract, wait a little bit and mix it well until chocolate completely melts and the chocolate ganache is smooth and silky. Cover the bowl with clear wrap and allow it to rest at room temperature for 30 minutes, then refrigerate it for minimum 6 hours to settle. Usually I'm leaving it in the fridge for a night. Let's make chocolate ganache for frosting. We need dark chocolate and heavy cream. The way is absolutely the same. Heat the cream in a saucepan until it comes to a simmer. Pour cream into the bowl with the chocolate, wait a little bit and mix it well. Cover the bowl with clear wrap and allow it to rest at room temperature for 30 minutes, then refrigerate it for a minimum 6 hours to settle. After a night in the fridge, I took both ganaches out and let them rest at room temperature for 2 hours. It's easier to work with room temperature chocolate ganache. Now I have to whip chocolate ganache filling, just a little bit. Let it get a little bit lighter in color and stop whipping. Small tip, if your ganache is still a bit cold and hard to work with, use hairdryer with hot air to slightly soften it. I've cut the cake into 3 and now everything is ready to make our cake. Put a little bit of cream on cake stand and place the first cake layer on top of it. Put about 250 grams of whipped chocolate ganache and smooth it out with a spoon or a spatula. Top with the second cake layer and put 250 grams of whipped chocolate ganache again. Smooth it out with the spatula. Top with the third cake layer. Cover the cake with clear wrap and refrigerate it for 1 to 2 hours to settle. I also use baking ring on top, but for this cake this step is optional. After the cake rested some time in the fridge, frost it with the remaining whipped ganache and refrigerate it for 10 to 15 minutes. Stir the ganache for frosting well. Frost the cake with chocolate ganache. Small tip: to make the frosting look more smooth, place spatula into hot water for a minute. I also made this decoration on top using petal tip attachment. And the cake is ready. Enjoy every bite of it.